Grab your popcorn, guys, because we're about to take AMC stock for a wild ride. With this news article that just came out on AMC stock, if we decode it correctly, we actually find that there's a big scandal going on, and that scandal is going to make us very rich. AMC stock is going to have earnings on February 28th, 2023, which is just a few short days from now. If we capitalize on the news and on the price action that's occurring with the stock, combining fundamental, news, and technical analysis, then this stock is going to make us a lot of money. We're up 40% today in pro on some crazy top stocks. Those stocks include BAER and Laser, LAZR, and we had traders make anywhere from $180 to $1,000 today. So if you're not already in the free Discord, make sure to join. It's just such a great community that's so supportive. Everyone there will give you the shirt off their back, and we want you to be a part of it. This channel will help you make money. AMC Entertainment closed at 623 in the latest trading session, marking a 0.58% move from the prior day. Now this is so exaggerated. Notice the language. Notice the language. This is so exaggerated. News cannot be taken at face value. News cannot be taken at face value. It needs to be combined and interpreted with a variety of factors. This is why so many traders end up misleading you, because they look at news and they say, this is good news. It's going to make the stock pump a lot. And yet what actually happens is the stock goes down. So what's wrong with these traders? How is it? Are they just trying to make you lose money? I don't think that they are. I think that they are losing you money, but I don't think that they're actually trying to lose you money. I think it's actually that they don't understand. They don't know. They can't know. And so that's why they call out these stocks and they call out these recommendations and they look at these news articles and they claim that the stock is going to double. In reality, we have to take a more measured approach if we're going to make money, and that's what this channel is all about. It's all about bringing you back to earth, back to reality, making real money using high probability trades, because ask any professional trader in the world, any trader who makes their money trading. Trading is all about probabilities. If we can work with the probabilities, if we take high probability trades, if we look at a chart, if we look at a stock chart like AMC chart, which I'll show you right now, this chart, if we look at this chart and we take a high probability trade that takes into account the volume, the price action, the news, the fundamentals, the actual value of the company, then we will make money. We will succeed, and that's how we were able to make money on BAER, which went from $7 to $12 in pro. We're making money right now in the Discord. We're making money already. All right, this thing went from $7 to $11 in 15 minutes. So we're making money. That's 30% increase. So we don't have a problem with making money, but we want to make sure we're taking only the highest probability trades, the best trades. We want to buy the stock at the best price and then sell it at the best price. Do you bag hold? Do you find yourself holding a stock like Bed Bath & Beyond, which is down from $7 all the way to $150? Are you holding that stock? Are you holding Mullen, MMAT? These stocks down 75, 90% from highs? If you are, then I have something for you. This video is going to go over AMC stock and a variety of winning stocks that can actually help you make your money back. My name is John Coda. Most people call me Coach Coda. I am a sniper day trader. I help traders take the best entries and exits on their stock, sell them before they go down, and buy them before they go up. This trading channel is going to make you money if you follow instructions. You can look at my last 3 callouts on AMC, on Laser, on CVRX. All of them became true. They all happened. Even trka went up just like I said it would. And if we take the probabilities into account, we can make money together. And so I'm going to show you right now how to decipher a news article like this one on AMC, because it's not what it appears to be. That's the crazy thing. This article is not what it appears. It may appear that AMC is weak. If someone were to read this article and just read it, AMC would appear very weak and people wouldn't want to trade it. If you're tired of losing money, if you place trades in the stock market and you just can't seem to win consistently, I have something special just for you. This is the Rocket Trader Pro membership. The Rocket Trader Pro membership will give you everything you need to succeed as a trader in the stock market. You will be side by side with me taking my trades. I'm telling you where I'm buying and where I'm selling. Additionally, I'm going to walk you through and check in with you personally to make sure you are trading successfully. If you make mistakes, I'm going to find out what those mistakes are and I'm going to correct them for you. This is the one program out there which you can actually say will make you a profitable trader. So if you aren't profitable yet and you're tired of losing money, then join the link below and I'll see you in pro. And that's exactly what the professional traders want, okay? The well-informed traders. More importantly, not so much the well-informed traders, because I'm technically a well-informed trader, yet I want you to make money. I'm talking about the banks, the people who manipulate stocks, the people who push stocks down to hit your stop loss and take your money. Those people, they want you to sell AMC stock. Those people want you to sell AMC stock. And I'll tell you when it's a good idea to sell AMC stock in a moment. But before we even go into that, we have to take into account that there are people with big money that want to take your money. And I'm here to protect you from those people. These people put out this news article, and I'll tell you why. Because if they can get you to sell their stock, then they can buy your stock and make money. That's all they want. They want you to sell your stock to them so that they can take your money. That's the way the institutional traders work. But I'm going to show you how to beat them right now. This news article, okay, it says AMC Entertainment sinks as market gains. What you should know, okay? Isn't that just so scandalous? I mean, AMC sinks. Who wants to be a part of AMC stock? It just sunk as the market is gaining. AMC stock must be the weakest ever. Oh, this is grade A manipulation. Grade A manipulation. I hope they don't take me out. You know, if I disappear and I don't have a YouTube channel anymore, if all of a sudden Coach isn't posting anymore, because I post every day. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll get video notifications every day. Make sure you hit the notification bell, otherwise you won't be notified when a new short squeeze comes out. But I do post every day. I help you every single day, every single trading day, make money. But you'll notice that this article here, okay, it's very manipulative. AMC Entertainment sinks as market gains. This is to get investors to sell their AMC stock. Let's look at the language more carefully. Okay, let's look what actually happened. Reading the title, it sounds horrible, so let's look what actually happened. AMC Entertainment, AMC closed at 623 in the latest trading session, marking a minus 0.48% move from the prior day. This move lagged the S&P 500's daily gain of 0.53%. At the same time, the Dow added 0.33% and the tech-heavy NASDAQ lost 5.2%. Okay, so they're comparing AMC on one trading day when it was down 0.48%, which is half a percentage point. It's less than half a percentage point, to the strongest ETF. They're comparing AMC to the strongest ETF, the S&P 500, 0.53%. They're comparing AMC, a highly volatile stock that usually moves from 5 to 15% in any given trading day, to the S&P 500, which is lucky to move 3%. And they're comparing it one day. That's how they trick you. That's how they trick you. That's how they get you. If you actually look at AMC stock, okay, if you actually look at AMC stock, this is AMC stock, okay? AMC stock, look at this. You can just see how sideways it is. It's not dead yet. It's not done. And by the way, the S&P 500 today is down 107 points. Okay, 1.07%. The S&P is down. This is the SPY today. Okay, this is the SPY. Does that look very strong to you? Is the SPY rallying and is AMC sinking? Or is it the other way around? You're being manipulated by institutional traders, and I'm going to help you. AMC stock, if you can buy it from $5.50 to about $6, you can pay more than that, but don't expect the trade to be as profitable and don't expect it to be as safe. Then you can sell AMC stock at $6.33, $6.58, and even $6.73. Those are my 3 price targets for AMC. Yes, AMC can go to $7 or even $7.21, but my warning with that is be careful, because AMC stock is volatile, and I recommend a stop loss around $5.35. If this AMC stock goes to $5.35, then that's a sign that the stock really isn't strong and it's going to fall. The other thing to keep in mind is that AMC earnings are going to come out next Tuesday on the February 28th. So make sure that you have your positions sold unless you want to take a risk, because earnings change the fundamentals of a company and AMC can start gapping once earnings come out. I will say right now, the chart pattern on AMC is bullish, so you're likely to make money on AMC stock in the near future if you sell it at the price targets that I've given you. In the pro group, we're trading a few stocks. I'm going to give you one of their names right now. That stock is DNMR. If you watch this stock, then perhaps you'll be able to make money off of it. If you want more details though, you'll have to join the Discord. It's free, link in the description. And I hope you guys have an amazing trading day. One more time, AMC stock can rally. You are being manipulated, but we have a stock called DNMR, which can rally just like we're up 30% today in pro. You can make some money off of our pro stock, which I just told you right now. You guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.